Hey everybody, welcome back to Chris's Chef Studio, and I am here in downtown Jacksonville. As you can see, that big huge coffee roaster behind me, and I am here at Civilized Coffee, and we were talking about different coffee products today, and I thought that maybe you guys might enjoy learning a little bit about Civilized Coffee and what they've got going on. They started with coffee from Africa, so let me flip this around for you. And they have some really great products. It's all non-GMO, and it's fair trade. And they deal with the growers themselves. And we're really excited that they are in downtown Jacksonville. And a lot of people don't know all the different businesses that are in downtown Jacksonville, but they are in the rail yard district. So plug for the rail yard. Woohoo! And we have, they have a warehouse where they do the packaging and they ship it out. You can find them on Amazon. And they ship out large quantities, small quantities, whatever it is you might need. They have gift baskets. They have some really cool products I'm going to play with in the kitchen next week. I'm going to play with their espresso powder, and you get to watch me cook with their product then. So I will see you next week, and y'all have a great day.